Apple's innovations always stir the tech world, and the buzz around the upcoming iPhone 17 series is no different. The latest speculation is stirring up excitement and confusion alike, as whispers suggest that Apple may be blending its budget-friendly iPhone Southeast 4 with its high-end flagship lineup. This bold move, if true, could signify a significant shift in Apple's strategy. But is there more to this rumor than meets the eye? The source of this speculation is leaker Majinboo, who has a mixed record of accuracy, who claims that the fourth model in the iPhone 17 series, potentially codenamed Roma, could actually be a reimagined version of the iPhone Southeast 4. This new device might even carry names like iPhone 16e, iPhone 16 SE, or iPhone 17 Air. If this prediction holds, it can replace the iPhone 16 Plus with a more streamlined, modern approach. Fans and analysts are intrigued by the idea that the iPhone Southeast 4 and iPhone 17 Air might be the same phone. Historically, the Southeast line has been a middle ground, offering solid performance at a lower price by incorporating features from older flagship models. The upcoming iPhone Southeast 4 is expected to be powered by the A18 chip, which will also feature in the iPhone 16. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Air might step up the game with Apple's next-gen A19 chip, potentially delivering even more impressive performance. What really fuels the conversation is the possibility that both models could feature a single rear camera, signaling a potential consolidation in Apple's product offerings. However, while they may share some similarities, their differences could define them. The iPhone Southeast 4 is likely to remain a budget-friendly option, making it more accessible to a broader audience, whereas the iPhone 17 Air could be a more premium, yet less bulky, alternative to other flagship models. Adding weight to these rumors is tech journalist Mark Gurman from Bloomberg, who has a strong reputation for reliable predictions. Gurman anticipates that the iPhone Southeast 4 will be unveiled by April, while the full iPhone 17 series could debut in September. This timeline suggests that Apple might be setting the stage for a year filled with intriguing product releases, potentially reshaping the boundaries between its budget and flagship models. Price is another critical aspect of this discussion. The iPhone Southeast 4 is rumored to remain under $500 United States dollars, staying true to its roots as a budget-conscious device. Conversely, the iPhone 17 Air might be priced around $800 United States dollars, offering a more affordable entry point into Apple's premium offerings without sacrificing modern specifications. Despite Majinboo's variable accuracy, this rumor presents a fascinating scenario. Apple blending its Southeast and flagship lines would be a departure from its usual strategy of catering to distinct market segments. Whether this move would be a stroke of genius or a misstep remains to be seen. As we await official announcements, the tech world is abuzz with speculation. Will the iPhone Southeast 4 and iPhone 17 Air indeed be the same device, or are these merely two separate yet exciting developments in Apple's product lineup? The answers will come in time, but one thing is for sure. Apple's next steps are keeping everyone on their toes. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these possibilities. Could this be a strategic masterstroke from Apple, or just another twist in the rumor mill? Keep watching for more updates on what could be one of Apple's most captivating years yet. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this discussion, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on all things Apple. See you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256 gigabytes base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512 gigabytes and 1 TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM in the base model, with a 16 gigabytes RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 gigabytes/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.